Wagwan ShaneG family, welcome back to the channel. Today we got another review. The one is by Alkaline, No Mercy. It was long awaited from Alkaline. It's called No Mercy. See? So the cover art so far, Alkaline, No Mercy. So Alkaline have him guns, alright? So man, I make you know, no mercy.
When you talk to Alkaline,
Hey, Giga.
peace business.
Only piece of them are just in a piece, so can matter with that. No peace treaty.
Yo, from the start of the song, the man make you know, no peace. Any peace, the boy, they married in a peace. Alright?
None evil. Blame them. Stop talking about things where you don't know about. But a man drop finesse, make that me sure about. Girl, I shit up in your sore mouth. Circle like I want to you. Hey. Them a punk long time and still a win. Since it alright to praise friend killer. Shot down when you pump film dinner and I hide like rat baboon. That a no gorilla. Boy let a leak on the concrete. Trick them a sin and then can't do it. Ticks them dead off, decapitate head off. Rise up the air, stop our speech.
Man tell us that the six them dead off. Oh my Alkaline, no mercy name. So far, no mercy the man now.
Set a bait them 5 feet, and dead already me accuse zombie. Fear shot, guy pulp, no the orange juice, so me let you stinking man be. Poochie no safe, no way a be. I walk a beg link, and I saw that I see a weenie dead like a pussy boy, get it away. Boy, ma try make step, them tear him up with a key. Yo, should I tell him that he's a waste guy, Jamaica. Ticks don't really my waste guys, girl. I Johnny Taffy clean up and the place nice. Dead man, dead, no tail man.
Man said the ticks them no real, never call them six. Ticks them no real. Call the janitor to clean them up, garbage or rubbish. Jano Alkaline.
Hey, Poochie, go find your father. Ask him when sniff when him climb your mother. 6 of them, 6 daddy want me check it out. Rascal, dirty shelly pussy out the order.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
Alkaline, you say?
Sniff when him climb your mother. 6 of them, 6 daddy want me check it out. Rascal, dirty shelly pussy out the order. Stop that,
6 track is 6. Dirty pussy Shelly out of order. Mama, the man just diss out the man mother so. Man diss up Mama Shelly. Yo, Alkaline. But that why I be a suck your mother. One left the mother them out tight town. Me don't know. What wanna say? I be a suck your mother. What am I war say?
things where you don't know about. Pussy, yeah, your friend not gonna get it, and that for sure about. Gunshot. Girl, I put girl and shit up in your sore mouth. Watch where you gonna do you. 6 now. Watch out. The 2 fuck can't find the lyrics, black face and turtle, and nothing for me this. Are the same song book, them I use B-boss and butthead dancer, catfish. Them bungle up, in ice stew, a turkey, love the weakest flow in I crew. Be about it for your mind, yellow. Next song right away, that's a figure though.
I want him Turkle. I wish one had Turkle. Chronicler. A Chronicler the boy I call Turkle. Can't this law boss some G. Man I this up law boss wicked.
Long time we kid them a throw words. The badness start and them a cough up blood. Then I say I'm in started. And I go to Babylon and say heart is for sure more love. Better got more money and more drugs. Checking at the street and we got more bus. Body left a bleed out till the floor flat. Can't mention no one name in and no more stuff. One hand man bun your brother and disarm him. Nothing no come out of that and it and brawling. Then I see it see the town who can.
Bumbuckler, one hand man bun your brother. And call him. Cause when I squash brother, he did get killed by a one hand man. Chano. Alkaline said no mercy upon that one, yeah. And so far, no mercy. The man I say, yo, none. Literally, no mercy. Chano.
Engrave and report box embalming. Portrait from face and battery him go jail a country for thief and back. We poor just call me Alexandra, sir. Me take a lot of meals to make Jimmy cry. Hallelujah. We don't take pressure, we apply it. Shot them box to team and you still can't deny it. I spread lie, but the people over it. That's why me a go murder them, make them quiet. Me live on the link, can't style carry nor gimme. Me set a hit for you and you 20. Boy, then stop. Go see grip on every D dog, grip on him and drop yo. Stop talk about things when you don't know about. Yeah, your friend not gonna get it.
Man, I say you want to stop talk things you only don't know about. You see, you and your friend are go get it.
I'm sure about gunshot. Yeah,
I'm sure about it too.
shit up in your sore mouth. Watch where God do you.
Yo, the man said, "Y'all shit up in your sore mouth." John Alkaline, you kill them. Comment below if you think Alkaline really kill them. That one is bad.
When you talk to Alkaline, you have to do a peace business, because I'm trying to lock up everybody and lock up everybody. And I said, you got control. And I said, really?
But yeah, man, the one that was by Alkaline, No Mercy. No mercy. This song never have no mercy. Alkaline never have no mercy. Alkaline bring it to all him mother. Dirty pussy Shelly. Jano. Comment below. Comment below and let me know. What do you think about the one about Alkaline? No mercy. My opinion, it bad. This was the baddest one Alkaline come up with so far. It bad. You see it? Yeah, man. But yo, that's the end of this reaction. Let me know in the comment section how you feel about my video them, and give me some ideas on what you want me to react to. Thanks for tuning in once again. Subscribe if you're new to the channel. Hit that post notification bell. You see it? And yeah, tune into my next video.